Is quality important at the Salt Lake Diesel Shop? Let's follow the Union Pacific 3141 through an actual inspection. The 3141 arrived at Salt Lake Service Track on October the 5th at 5:30 p.m. The roundhouse foreman, having been informed earlier that it was due a periodic inspection, had already started the paperwork ball rolling and had lined up his crew to inspect the unit for any obvious defects. Set procedures had been established earlier and published so that there would be no guesswork as to how to handle this unit. The inbound inspectors signed off the task they were responsible for and noted any defects they did not correct. This inbound inspection sheet was then turned over to the quality planner to be included in a packet. Other items in this packet are spot system inspection sheets, unit history, and LMI project sheets. All during this process, the quality procedure specialist is tracking the unit and inputting his findings into the system. The unit was then moved to the shop for the inspection process to begin. October 6th was wet and miserable. After warm-up exercises, a job briefing, and a first cup of coffee, the Spot 1 inspectors are ready to go to work. The first stop is the packet counter for a preview of the unit and a look at any special notes. Then on to the 3141, where they flag and tag the unit as part of the shop safety plan. Climbing aboard, they follow a set procedure for inspecting so as not to overlook any defects. The unit is given a full inspection from air brakes to Xenier diodes. The unit is then load tested to verify horsepower and cooling fan action. The Spot 1 inspectors then sign off the packet, making notes of any defects found. The unit is then moved to Spot 2, the wash rack. There it is completely cleaned using a water-efficient hydroblaster washing system, making it not only clean but safer for the work to follow. Having completed the unit cleaning, the Spot 2 workers sign off their responsibilities in the packet. On to Spot 3, the electrician's area, where after checking the packet for information briefing, they give the unit a good going over from antennas to traction motors, and everything in between. Here data collection devices are downloaded and checked against set standards. Hard copies are generated, satisfying FRA requirements. After the foreman has verified that the work assigned to Spot 3 has been completed, he orders the track moved, which takes our unit to Spot 4A. During all track movement, safety is priority number 1. The inspection track in Salt Lake has its own set of rules, and if a worker wants to hold a job there, he must abide by them. The workers on 4A pressure test the unit and treat the cooling system, while the machinists change out filters. The 3141 is then moved to Spot 4B. Here the unit receives attention to such items as brake shoes, air gauges, and fuel pumps. The tag-it system is used extensively throughout the inspection. The unit is then off to Spot 4C, where fluid levels are checked, bearings are lubed, and batteries filled. Here, as at other spots, the quality planner checks that the work called for is done, and the unit is ready to be moved outside for test and card. Once outside, the test and card crew verifies the unit's electrical circuits are functioning as they should, and the air brakes and valves are within preset standards. On completion of their work, they sign documents stating that the unit is roadworthy. Our unit is now ready to be built into a consist. It returns from where our story began, the service track. There it is cabled up to other units and made ready for revenue service. As a final test of the 3141, it is powered on a short test track, testing the dynamic brakes and motor control circuits. The roundhouse foreman can now release the unit back to our customers, the operating department, with confidence that we've done our best.
Is the quality process important at the Salt Lake City Diesel Shop on the periodic inspection line? Yes, it is. We feel like our PI inspection line is the first place that we could achieve quality on locomotives here at Salt Lake City. This is a time where we have a unit in that we can make sure that it'll run 92 days without being shopped. This is also the time that we feel that we could take the unscheduled shopping cost out of the locomotive by doing a good periodic inspection here at Salt Lake City.